Let's talk about transactions and instructions on Solana. An instruction is a call to a program. Every instruction has three fields. Program ID, the address of the program you want to execute. Accounts, an array of every account the instruction reads or writes. Each entry has a public key, whether it's a signer and whether it's writable. Data, a byte array encoding which function to call and what arguments to pass. A transaction packages one or more instructions for the network. It has two parts, signatures and a message. Signatures are 64-byte values. Each required signer provides one. The first signature doubles as the transaction ID. The message holds four fields, a header with signer counts, account keys for every address the transaction touches, a recent block hash that expires in about 60 seconds, and the compiled instructions. That is the complete structure of every Solana transaction. When you send a transaction, it goes to a validator. The validator loads each program and processes the instructions in order. Execution is atomic. If every instruction succeeds, the transaction commits. If any single instruction fails, everything rolls back. All or nothing. Transactions and instructions.